Now we talk about power at the level of conversation. In the previous module, we defined power. This is your hold on affairs which you get through competition. For example, election. You get power through election. And allocation of power, this person would be PM, this person would be minister, this person would be president, this person would be speaker. This is politics, allocation of power. And this distribution of power is supported by society. Ultimately, people have supported this power. So this definition, in fact, is at a very general level, broad level, as I discussed in the last module. Now we discuss the concept of power at the level of conversation. So how power is involved here and who has this power? This will be discussed. Conversation is organized in a power board because one speaks, the other listens. One who speaks has power. Floor holding, one who is talking holds the floor. And topic control, what that person would talk about, these are signs of power. Men hold floor if there is mixed kind of communication where both male and female are involved. So 80% of the time is taken by men. If males' active participation is in such conversation, their participation is less than 70%, so all male and female say that this conversation was dominated by female. This is the standard. Mostly men introduce successful topics in mixed groups. Topics are introduced by them. In a way, they are controlling what will be discussed. Women also try to do so, but their contribution is ignored by the participants of both sexes. Even women themselves ignore the topics which are suggested by females. In friendship talk, women do shit work. If they talk about something, it is very non-serious. And that too is not paid attention to by their male partners. They don't take it a serious matter or something that needs some attention. Males can interrupt women during talk, but female can't. Constraints on emotions. This is something very, very interesting. Here you will see that both require to have hold on their emotions when they are talking. But what happens? There is power imbalance. Women are not allowed to express anger and use severe words like damn, bloody, etc. Anger is sign of power. They are being restrained. They are being disallowed to express anger. Why? Because anger is sign of power. That suits men only. Males are not allowed to cry or express sadness or helplessness because it suits to women. This is a very common observation in our society. You are well aware of that. It is sign of powerlessness. If men cry, if they weep, so they show weakness. On the surface of it, both should control their emotions, and it is equally applied. Okay, so far so good. But if seen closely, there is difference in implementation of this restriction. If a woman shows anger, violates the rule, she is not taken potent, powerful. Rather, she is ridiculed. Okay, both should hold their anger. aggressiveness. But see what happens. If a woman shows anger, she violates the rule, violates the restriction on expression of anger. But if she does so, it is not sign of power. It is sign of power if men do it. But here what is being done? She is ridiculed. उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है. You're cute when you're mad. Here is actually you are. It is shortened here. You're cute when you're mad. उससे में तुम और भी अच्छी लगती हो. This is. Now we conclude power imbalance in males and females is stereotyped by language. It is promoted through language, as you have seen from the last quoted example.